work, guys.
Okay, you're almost there.
Woo!
Right to the end, Erica. Finish harder. Push.
How'd it go? Nice work. Gonna have a nap? How'd it feel?
Good.
Yeah? Good.
Would you like to comment on your race today? You were pretty strong at the end.
Can we have some water, Mom?
Get on that.
Alrighty.
Oh. Well, you guys, I thought you were starting at 11, but I guess they changed
I
everything.
know, but they like, and it kind of came out late, and she's like, oh, I thought we were starting at 11. And she's like, yeah, I thought so too.
Huh. Oh well. That's okay. At least I'll get to skate one, right? Go, Erica! Woo!
Go, Taylor. Go, Mom.
Good job!
She loves it, eh?
Come on, Erica! Good work. Push it home. Great job, Erica. Really push it now, okay? You can do it. Bring it faster. Ale, ale. Hey, nice work.
Where were you? Did you?
I was videoing on Erica. I think you won the classic for grade 5s.
Yeah.
Did you see how she's finishing real strong? Boy, oh
Good.
boy. Did you hear all your friends cheering you on? Isn't that nice?
Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Now, is Aislinn out there?
Aislenn's right here.
Unless you want hot
I'll
chocolate.
get you. I'll get
I'll
water.
have some hot chocolate.
I'll
It's okay to me.
Okay, do you want me to get you water?
You've been watching too many races on